Artoonza.
Art adventurers, ready for a challenge? Can you draw this? A perfectly round apple, a fork that wants to stab the sun, and a knife that slices through butter dreams? This is easier than you think. Grab your markers and let's create some seriously delicious art. Yummy, yummy. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us a big thumbs up.
Oh, so cute.
Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Yellow. Color, color, color. Hit that like button now. Green.
Wow!
This is so amazing. Brown. Red. Color, color, color.
Wow!
This is so yummy. What a delicious red apple. I love fruits. I can't wait to eat this apple. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Give us your like. Smash that like button now. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.